Hello, in front of me I've got Endorfy Thock. In this video I'll show you how to replace switches. In the beginning, prepare switch replacement tool. This one you can locate under the keyboard, and this one you can locate inside the original box. Firstly, let's use this plastic one to remove the key, and next let's use this metal part to remove the switch. In order to do it, place the tool under the switch from top and bottom. Here are the places for it, like this, and simply pull it. This keyboard supports 2 pins switches. To replace them, simply place it like this. Here we've got 2 pins, and slightly push it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.